choosing a CMMS, you want more than just maintenance management software. You want a partner you can rely on. At Mainsaver, we've been helping maintenance, operations, and facility management teams meet their goals for 39 years. That experience is invaluable when you need to streamline maintenance management, reduce downtime, improve productivity, or control costs.
We use Mainsaver for all of our corrective and preventive maintenance. It helps us manage work requests, schedule work orders, and plan our downtime maintenance.
We use the Mainsaver CMMS for facilities maintenance and production equipment maintenance. Mainsaver keeps track of everything. The data you get from it helps us make better decisions. Mainsaver has helped us justify headcount and save money.
Mainsaver is our department's quality system of choice. The 21 CFR Part 11 capabilities keep us audit ready. Mainsaver helps us streamline our maintenance and makes the auditing process more efficient. Sometimes it's not always the maintenance that matters, it's the paperwork that proves you did it.
We use Mainsaver for all of our maintenance management and preventive maintenance, time entry, asset management, material issuing, receiving and tracking, purchasing, project management, and cost tracking. Now that we've implemented Mainsaver, we have confidence in our data and our cost tracking, which is a big plus for me.
Mainsaver enables our team to effectively schedule and manage our maintenance requirements. It streamlines our maintenance processes. The inventory management capabilities help us make sure we have the critical components that we need on site to maintain the high availability and reliability of our plants. Mainsaver is intuitive, user-friendly, and easy to learn. It has all the functionality we need. After comparing 8 popular CMMS solutions, we standardized on Mainsaver across all our power generation facilities.
Whether your team is large or small, Mainsaver can help you achieve your maintenance and operations goals without busting your budget. For small and medium-sized businesses, we offer Mainsaver Cloud, the new web-based SaaS version of our CMMS platform that's easy to use and implement, accessible anywhere, and highly affordable. You get all our most popular features at one low subscription price. For larger enterprises, consider Mainsaver Core, which offers comprehensive enterprise asset management capabilities and a customizable on-premise or web-based solution that can meet the needs of the most complex organizations, all at a price that is significantly less than other top-tier EAM solutions. Whether you choose Mainsaver Cloud or Mainsaver Core, you can be confident that you're not just getting a CMMS, you're getting a partner who will be with you on every step of your journey. Since our start in 1983, we've built a team focused on understanding the challenges our clients face and building and delivering the solutions they need. You'll be working with the most experienced team in the industry with an average of 22 years on the job. Our experience is evident in the detailed design work that goes into our products and how we approach implementation and ongoing support. Mainsaver has helped thousands of clients successfully implement customized integrations and other complex maintenance management projects on time and on budget. And when you need support, we won't route you to a call center. You'll speak directly to one of our CMMS experts.
Mainsaver has great people. They're almost like family. I can call or text them anytime. They're very responsive.
Mainsaver is very flexible and very customizable. We've worked with Mainsaver to modify the Mainsaver core for our specific needs. I can reach out to Mainsaver about an idea or a modification and it will happen. That's not a thing you get with other software companies. Mainsaver is very easy to work with. They're very responsive.
Relationships matter to me. From top to bottom, the Mainsaver team has been great to work with. I trust the people at Mainsaver.
At Mainsaver, we've got your back. Your success is our success. Our goal is to provide you with the tools and support that you need to achieve your goals. Want to learn more? Call us at 800-908-4616. We do what we love, and we love to talk about maintenance management. Or try out Mainsaver Cloud for yourself at mainsaver.com/free trial.